So we're here at Sapphire now in Frankfurt talking to John Elkington. John Elkington is the Dean of Sustainability. He's been in the business for over 40 years. He founded his own sustainability company 25 years ago. He's the advisor for many, many companies. John, thanks for coming to Sapphire in Frankfurt. John, I'd like to ask you, what do you see as the biggest trend currently in the area of sustainability reporting for corporations?
Well, we're just about to launch a new report called The Transparent Economy that looks out to 2020. SAP have been one of the supporters of that project. And if I had to take just one message from that, I would say that we're moving from a period of push in reporting where companies decide what the outside world needs to know and pushes reports out, to a pull period where increasingly it's the users, the stakeholders who draw on companies to understand performance, expectations, ambitions, targets, and so on. And I think that pull era is going to be profoundly different, a real challenge for companies, but again, a huge opportunity space, both for leading companies and for suppliers like SAP.
In terms of pull, what do you mean exactly by that? What will companies be required to do in the future what they weren't required in the past?
Well, I think in the past, companies basically produced a printed sustainability report once a year and then would mail it out largely to what they described as stakeholders. Over a period of time, they started to use websites to make this all a bit more interactive. What now is starting to emerge is a sort of 24/7 environment where companies can be challenged from all sorts of quarters or angles, including increasingly by very major customers who have strategies and programs in the sustainability field and want to know what their suppliers are both doing to minimize the bad that they do and also to create positive value. That's what I mean by a pull environment.
John, thank you very much for this interview.
Thank you.